In this video, we will learn how to change reading pen in new Outlook. So let's start. Open your new Outlook and go to the View tab. In View tab, in Layout group, have a reading pen option. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can see the hide reading pen status is active. It means here the reading pen is hide. When I click on the show on the right, you can see here these are the reading pen. So you can read here the email, therefore it is called reading pen. Okay. So I just click on drop down arrow again, show on the bottom. So just click on the show on the bottom. Now here you can read your email. If you want to hide, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the hide. Okay. So this is a way you can set your reading pen as per your comfortable. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.